On the 21st day of the month of September, in an early year of a decade not too long before our own, the human race suddenly encountered a deadly
Okay,
threat
to start
to
with,
its
we have our
very
first Audrey
existence.
2, or Audrey plant.
Terrifying
This
enemy
is not a
surface,
puppet,
as
this
such
is just a
enemies
prop.
often do,
And then we
in the
move on
seemingly
to when
most innocent and
he or she
unlikely
gets a little bit
of
bigger
places.
and is potted without stuffing coming out of the back of it. That's actually moss. There you go. Now, show me your sad face and talk to me a little bit. There you go. Its mouth is magnetic, so it will stay shut with a hole here for. Hello, I better get that in there. A hole here for a thumb to come through, or a finger. Let me see what you got. You got a finger for a tongue with the right glove on. Is a nice little accent. Although the audience will probably never see it because they're so far away. Alright, this is the second puppet, third time that Audrey grows. Go ahead and move your arm. There we go. It's very, very mobile. At the base of the neck there's usually a pot. Any pot will do, any kind of potted plant pot. The arm goes around the pot like it's hugging the pot, and then it gives the illusion that Audrey's coming out. The jacket zips up. There's a strap inside the jacket that helps secure the shoulder piece of the fake arm so it doesn't flop around. And I believe that is a men's large jacket. Actually, it's an extra, extra large. So anybody playing Seymour should be able to fit in it, unless they're a big boy like me holding the camera, and I'll never fit in that. This also just have a magnet to keep it shut right here. So if the actor is not able to hold it shut with their hand, it won't come open unless the right applied pressure is forced. And this is just a little makeshift tongue fluffy thing. But notice the art design, the paint here on the head matches the original small one that's potted. It also matches the second puppet, and the next two sizes going up are identical in paint style.
On the 21st day of the month of September, in an early year of a decade not too long before our own, the human race suddenly encountered a deadly threat to its very existence. And this terrifying enemy surfaced, as such enemies often do, in the seemingly most innocent and unlikely.
Shake it around a little bit. Talk to us. Feed me.
Yeah.
Well, dip forward a little bit. You're probably gonna need to get a little closer. And show how you work it.